Yeah, so the Camry did die. I was doing a pull on Mexico and just, yeah, there was a ball of flames. But so it was still running at that point, and I shouldn't have restarted. I should have just left it there. I didn't even pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
It wasn't leaking oil, so we didn't window the block, so we could put rods in it. I don't know if we'll put rods in it. I don't know if there's a point to put rods in it. When it got towed back here, Fabio checked it out, and he saw the intake manifold blew, and I was like, that's great. And then I'm like, no, I'm lying to myself. It's not just the intake manifold. I think the intake manifold just blew. So let's go back and check it out.
The sad car.
So we were gonna pull it apart, but I was like, no, let's wait until Fern gets here. So here's probably where the fireball came from, because it blew out the intake manifold. It also shot a huge flame out there, which is pretty sweet. Fabio pulled the spark plugs, and one of the spark plugs, you know, there's no gap on it, so it looks like the piston came up and slapped the top of the spark plug. This thing was making some steam though. I was ripping around all weekend, just like beating the shit out of this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that piston's missing.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the piston is in half. There's two pistons. So that is probably the connecting rod, and that is the piston right there.
Do you see anything wrong here? No.
The piston is literally broken half.
It's broken?
She broke it.
Oh, she's broken. Oh,
So
yeah.
maybe the rods aren't the weak link. Maybe the piston's the weak link.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.
Or the rod broke and just punched. Who knows?
You'll find out.
Or it pulled the piston. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to pull it down more and just see what happens. What do you think we're going to do, Josh? What should we do?
Turn the boost down, and I was like, that's the dumbest thing I've
Yeah,
ever
that
done.
is the dumbest thing. So maybe we'll just put rods in it, put pistons in.
Do it big and turn it down.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah,
Can't
that's
do
not
it
part
big.
of doing it big. This channel's called Turbo Tim's Does It Big, so we gotta keep doing it big. So we'll put some rods in it. I don't know why we'll put some rods in this. I mean, if we do put rods in it, we're definitely gonna have to shim the tranny. And then I do think we should just keep it at this power level because it is freaking fast. Like, people don't understand. Like, if you're making 350 wheel, like,
You know, whatever.
that's a lot different than like a manufacturer's car that says 300 at the crank or whatever. Yeah, this is like real torque. And the other thing, you know, we really optimized this wastegate so it made a ton of torque. Like, originally we were just making 300 horse at top, and then we put a really tight spring in it so it fattened up the power curve.
You think we're gonna replace the pistons too, or are we gonna reuse the old ones?
I think we have to replace the pistons. All right, well, let's put this over there so Joshy can get out and start working. And yeah.
I'm helping.
It's going to be a little bit before we get to this. We have the Miata right now. We're just finishing the turbo kit on that. We're not giving up on the Camry. This car is just great because we can do whatever we want to this, and it really doesn't matter. Like, we can put rods in this, break the next thing. Like, I don't know how bad this is going to spiral out of control.
I'm in danger.
Realistically, I don't think we're gonna make over 450 horse in this. Like, I think if we just go over 450 horse, it's just gonna, you know, it's just the next thing. The tranny's gonna go, and this is just not a race car. It's a fun sleeper. We can just keep going with it because it did run really great. It drove really great.
It'll be great.
We just exceeded the limitations of stock components, so. I think that's about it. Anything else? No, we're good. We'll catch you on the next one.